Lot 247 is the 1931 Bentley 4-Litre Tour with coachwork by Vanden Plas. Some cars are so exceptional they should never be restored. One of two cars originally bodied in this style by the coach builder. It had just 2 owners in the first 58 years of its life, and only 4 in total. Bentley expert Clare Hay said it best: "This is about the most original and correct vintage Bentley I've ever seen." A very ringing endorsement from a preeminent expert. Bentley 4-Litre Tour.
Thank you, Alan. That's everybody here at $200,000. Why don't we? 200,000. Would like to start? Make 200,000. I have. Thank you. At 200. Who has $250,000 from me for the Bentley? That's 200,000. $250,000. Now $300,000. $300,000. Now $350 if you like. So $350. Thank you. $350. Would you give me $400,000? $400,000. Thank you, Barney. At $400,000. Do I have $450? At $400,000 now. Do I have any advance at $400,000? At $400,000. Do I have $425 if you like? At $400 now. Are we all done, Alex? At $400,000 now. Any advance? At $400,000. Are you sure? At $400, I'll take 25 if you like, Alex. At $400,000. 425, thank you. 425. Do I have 450? 450, very original Bentley, this one. At 450, sir. 450. Well, we're at $425,000. Well, if you're all done, my things on my right. 450, thank you. $450,000. 475. 475. At 450, it's against you, Alex, at $450,000. Then do I have an advance? We're all done. I'll finish. Well, at $450,000, if we're all done, and I'll finish. Are you sure? At $450,000. Nope. At $450,000. Well, if I have nobody bid, we're all done. On the Bentley 4-Litre, the very original Bentley 4-Litre, done. I'll finish at $450,000. Pass that one. $450,000.